Basically, the A330 A340 aircraft family is equipped as follows. Type A doors at exits 1, 2, and 4. Type 1 doors at exits 3. In this configuration, the maximum number of passengers is 375, with a minimum of 8 cabin crew. As an option, Type A doors might be installed at exits 3. In this case, the maximum number of passengers depends on the type of aircraft. Various cabin systems are controlled, tested, and monitored by the Cabin Intercommunication Data System, CIDS. The CIDS is composed of 2 directors, one in active mode and one in hot standby. It is linked to the Forward Attendant Panel, FAP, for control and monitoring of the cabin functions. The active director communicates through decoder-encoder units, DEUs, with the cabin, passenger, and crew systems. The directors are also linked to some cockpit controls and indicating, and aircraft system functions. The Forward Attendant Panel, FAP, is located at the purser station. It is divided into 2 parts. The Programming and Indication Module, PIM, the Light Audio and Miscellaneous Module, LAMM. The PIM is used for system control, status indication, and programming operations. The LAMM controls the cabin lights, the boarding music, the emergency lights, the evacuation command system. The Cabin Assignment Module, CAM, located in the center of the FAP, contains the cabin software. Additional Attendant Panel, AAP, located at Station 2L and 4L, also enables certain cabin systems to be controlled. The Attendant Indication Panel, AIP, is part of the communication system. It is located near each main cabin crew station. Communication and system-related messages are displayed. The Area Call Panel, ACP, indicates crew communications, passenger calls, lavatory calls, lavatory smoke detection. The ACPs are installed in the cabin ceiling at each exit of the passenger compartment. All of the handsets are identical. They can be used for passenger announcements and for interphone calls. Let's now present the doors and exits. The aircraft is equipped with 6 passenger doors, located at the forward, mid, and aft sections, and with 2 emergency exits, located behind the trailing edge of the wing. As the operation of all doors is identical, we will only present the passenger door. All these doors are equipped with a control handle used for door operation. 3 assist handles enhance safety during door operation, 2 on the door frame and 1 on the door itself. 2 mechanical indicators indicate the door unlocked, locked status. An evacuation device is stowed in a container on the lower part of the door. A control lever is used to arm or disarm the device. The door support arm houses the emergency opening cylinder and the pressure gauge. A gust lock on top of the support arm must be pressed to unlock the door from the open position. Each door has an observation window equipped with a sunshield. Near the window, there are two electrical warning indicators. One indicator which illuminates white when the slide is armed and the door handle moved up. One indicator which flashes red in case of cabin pressurization when both engines are off and the door is disarmed. The lights are also visible from outside. Let's continue with the slide presentation. Each passenger door is equipped with either a dual-lane escape slide or a dual-lane slide raft. Each emergency exit is equipped with a single-lane escape slide.
The slide has a double lane. A heaving ring allows us.
The oxygen system consists of a cockpit fixed oxygen system, a cabin fixed oxygen system, a portable oxygen system. This system supplies adequate breathing to the crew and passengers in case of depressurization, smoke, or toxic gas emission. In this part, we will concentrate on the cabin oxygen system. Chemical-generated oxygen units supply oxygen to the passengers and cabin crew. 3 or 4 mask units are installed in each passenger service unit. As an option, the aircraft can be equipped with a gaseous cabin oxygen system. A 2-mask unit is located at each cabin attendant station and in each galley and lavatory. The masks are provided with a flexible supply hose, a flow indicator, and a reservoir bag. They are attached to the generator by means of a pin, which automatically starts the generation of oxygen when it is pulled away from the cylinder. A door stop is used for the test procedure and prevents the masks from dropping. The number of masks contained in the unit is indicated on it. Protective breathing equipment, PBE, is located in the cockpit and cabin. This equipment consists of a smoke hood which is packed in a box and stowed close to the crew member stations. Portable oxygen bottles and masks are located in the cabin for first aid purposes. There are controls for the evacuation command signal in the cockpit and in the cabin. The cockpit control consists of an evacuation panel, which comprises an evacuation command push button to start the evacuation signal, a horn-off push button to silence the evacuation horn in the cockpit, a captain and purser switch to enable or disable the evacuation signal triggered from the cabin. In the cabin, the evacuation signal controls consist of an evacuation command push button on the FAP to start the evacuation signal, an evacuation reset on the FAP and on each AAP to silence the evacuation horn in the respective zones. In this module, the controls in indicating the doors and exits, the slides, the emergency equipment, and the evacuation command system of the cabin have been presented. Let's now see how to use this equipment in the cabin system operation module.